Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at how to create a 3D character from a 2D drawing. So I recently made a doodle about a dog and we are going to convert it into a 3D. So this was that 2D image and we want to create a 3D from it. So let's see how to go about it. So we'll start a new file and we'll delete the light and the camera. We might need this to start the box, and then we'll go to add image reference. Will not align it to the view, and I will find where I saved the dog image. Okay, so I will rotate this, hit the R key, N first, and then R. 90, rotate it 90. So when I hit the 1 key, I want 1 key to be like this. 1 on the numeric pad and 3 side view, 7 30s on the back. Remove the dog up. This object will be here, so you can see through it. Alright. Now the important thing is the scale should always be 1. So if I hit the tab key and scale it, tab, this remains 1. If I simply scale it, the scale changes, and then you can later go to object, apply, scale. Okay, so it becomes 1. So it's better to do it in. So when you're going to create something from 2D to 3D, what we generally do is just give it a height. Okay, so we start with a cube, and then in the edit mode, we'll start to shape the dog's body based on the outline of the dog. Okay, now if I go in 3D view, I can select the first part, so all these 4, and then hit 1 E to extrude. Then we will simply sculpt it further, so these lines are not too much at an angle. So we will do the same thing at the back. Select this. So we are going to model different objects and place it on top of each other so it is fast and easy. Okay, so we are trying to get this nice line flowing. Okay, so if you go to the 7 key, so go to 1 and 7 now, so this has to be squarish. So scale it and make it squarish. Now the second one will come closer, third one even more, same with this. Okay, so you get that top shape also right. So that's the body. So that's how we keep modeling the other parts also. Let us do the ear now. So we can go to add mesh cube. Okay, and then we will have too many cubes, so we'll start naming this. We'll call this body. This one is ear, tab, scale it small, tab it, place it in place. Okay, to get that rounded shape, we'll extrude it up, then scale it inside. Same thing we'll do at the bottom. Okay, you might want to add one line in the middle, so there is. And then we want this line along, so we can go to local, but we didn't rotate the object, so it's not going to do it. So normal work better. Okay, so again we'll go to 7, and then this is too thick, so we'll make it thin. Okay, we'll just model one for now, and then we'll move on to the next one later. So we'll do the other simple part, which is the leg. So leg front, add mesh cube, tab, scale it small. Then the mouth is looking towards us, not in the front, so you have to be a little careful about that. I'll rotate the mouth object so it is aligned properly. Okay, then extrude it for the mouth. Okay, then I will add a subdivision because we have the top part and the bottom part. Then because we have a subdivision here, we need to counter it with here also. So now I go to the face, select this one, select this one, extrude it. Same thing here, one, extrude it here. Then we will need one here and one here to create that smile. These are long polygons, so we need to make it right. Then I don't want the ears to go above the head, so we'll try to make this head a little big. And then we'll look at 7, and then see that the head is squarish. Try to give some volume here also. Okay, so that becomes the head. Now we have these. We start adding subdivisions. So we add subdivision surface with 2. Then now we select this one, just select this, and this. Then the last one, hit Control L, and we go to copy modifiers. Then we go to object, shade smooth. Then we try to make sure that the mouth looks better. Then you sculpt it a little bit to get the shape you want, basically. To spread this out. Select this Alt key, scale it from all sides to get that roundness to the head. Okay, and then we'll try to make these go in the right direction. Okay, so that's our face. So we need a nice flow of our lines so that it looks right. Okay, so just work on those. I think adding these lines was not such a good idea. Try to get our shape back. So it does take some time to get what you want, but just have to keep working on it. So I'm not going to spend too much time. We want that nose coming up like this. Head going up like this. So if you spend some time, you'll get what you're looking for. Now let us create the last two parts. We can copy these two legs, object, set origin to geometry, duplicate this on the other side. Then not too much, I guess. Go to wireframe to try and see the distance correctly. You can make these little smaller. They seem quite big. Make these narrow. I'll scale this only in one direction. Alright. Now we will assign brownish material. Then again we'll select everything. Select the last one and then Control L, say link materials. Okay, so to eyes now, add mesh cube, move to the right place, tab, scale, seven on this side, duplicate it this side. Let us add subdivision 3. 50 cap L, scale it, deselect L, scale it. Object, one big, one small. I think this should be bigger. And maybe select. This can be smaller. I like one big, one small. 7. Scale it and move it out. This will have to be moved out more. Okay, so this thing will have a new material. We'll make it darker. Okay, and then we'll make the eyebrows again. Add. We didn't rename these. Eyes.